Hi, welcome to the 7 Academy demonstration videos. In the last video we saw how to create a reservation in the system. In this video we are going to see the basic manipulation tools for a reservation. Once we are inside Front Desk Operative, we will go to Menu, Reservations, then Reserves. Again, here to the left we have all the reservations that were previously created in the system. For this video, we will manipulate the example that we previously created, which I believe is this one here. If you would like to add a second room to this reservation, go to the blank page New on the right side of the screen. This will provide us with a second line to create another room for this reservation. For this example, let's say the customer wants a double suite with 4 people with breakfast included. Now let's save this room. With this, now we have 2 separate rooms within the same reservation. Let's see the process on how to assign a room number to this reservation. The first thing we should do is select the room we want to assign. Then we will click on the button R for room, and in here it will display all the available rooms that comply with this type of room. This was a double suite, so we have rooms numbered 500 to 505 that are available. Let's choose 500 for this example and click select, then click on save. As you can see, we have the room 500 assigned. Let's also add a room number for this room in the second line. What we'll do is select on this line, click the R button for room, select the room that we want to assign it, 501, click select, then save. Here we have the room numbers assigned to each of these bedrooms. As you can see on the bottom of the screen, we have all these different buttons that we can use to manipulate the reservation. Over here, we have the rate change. If it were the case that we chose the wrong rate and we would like to change it to another one, we could do this without having to make a new reservation. We will choose the rate we want, Bella Vista, click on select, and the system will ask you, do you want to calculate the prices based on the selected rate? We'll say yes, and then save. Once you save, the system will automatically make the conversion of all the prices in relation to the rate we chose. As you can see, the prices have changed here. Let's put it back to the way we had it before. We'll click on rate change, aerial travel agency, select, we'll say yes, and then save. The prices change back to the way we had it before. We also have down here the state of reservation, which is requested. I'm not going to request it again because it is already requested. Over here we have the status of the reservation. To pass it to confirmed, we will click on the check mark here, and this will open up a new tab. This shows us that the hotel reservation is guaranteed, along with other information on the client and their total balance. We also have the annulment button, if it were the case that we wanted to cancel the reservation. Once we click, it will ask for a reason. Let's say the client canceled. Let's accept. Now the reservation shows as voided. If I made a mistake and I didn't want to void the reservation, and I want to pass it back to a confirmed reservation, I can't do it directly through this checkmark button. We must click on requested, then click on confirmed. Now it shows that the reservation is confirmed. Over here we have a wait list for if you want to handle some kind of wait list in the hotel. We have the option to send by email. This is synchronized with a 7-suite program called 7 Mailing System. We also have a way to check the availability through this button. If we click, it will give us availability for the rate that we chose and in the range of the dates that we chose. Over here we have the duplicate button. What this will do is create a second reservation exact to this one. And here we have the registration card button. In the case we would like to print the registration cards before the client arrives. We also have a very important button over here, search. If we click, we will receive this screen. In this screen, we can use all these filters to find a specific reservation. For example, if we would like to find a reservation at a certain rate, I will click on rate, and then I will find the rate that we would like. Let's use Bella Vista for this example. Once I have this, I will select on search, and the system will automatically display all the reservations that comply with the rate we chose. As you can see here, we have the different reservations for Bella Vista. With this, we learned how to use the basic manipulation tools for reservation. I hope that you find this useful, and I will see you in the next video.